Hello everyone, welcome back to Structural Expert KH. Today I have a good news to all of you. You can download free PDF supported file of steel warehouse design in Tekla Structural Designer 2024 AISC 316 in my Telegram group. I just dropped the PDF file here. You can click in the link below. I input the link in description. You can click and download it from the group Structural Expert. It is the Telegram group. You can come and download here. It is a full supported PDF file. I describe about how you can use and design member in Tekla Structural Designer effectively. I will scroll down and highlight some part in the document. Now you can read more detail, project, grid line, different ways to model photo frame in Tekla Structural Designer, and until the generate drawing at the end. Scroll down. Okay, there are 40 pages. You can download full page and read it by yourself. No, I go down. And for the video file, you can find more detail in Structural Expert KH. I post from the first part to the end part. Now we stay on the 16 steel hole connection design in Statica AISC 316. Yes, you can download or watch here on the YouTube channel. And for the supported file, PDF file, you can download from the Telegram group. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please share to other friends. Thank you.